product of a fraction and a whole number. If you already know how to multiply fractions, this is not going to be a large leap in logic. So the only difference between multiplying two fractions and multiplying a fraction and a whole number is that the whole number part doesn't have a denominator that you can see. Now, the trick to this is knowing that every number is secretly itself over 1. So 7 is the same as 7 over 1. Any number you choose. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. Even if you chose like 4.22, this is just a silly example, but that's the same thing as 4.22 over 1. The point being that any number is the same thing as itself over 1. So let me just erase here. So instead of writing it as 7 times 5/6, I'm going to write it as 7 over 1 times 5/6. Multiplying straight across, we have 7 times 5 is 35, and 1 times 6 is 6. 35 and 6 do not have any common factors, so this answer is in the simplest form. And that's all there is. Let's go ahead and just do one more example. So 2 over 7 times 49. I'm going to write this as 2 over 7 times 49 over 1. Now, I noticed something right away. Let me finish writing it down. I noticed that if we're looking for common factors on the top and the bottom, 7 and 49 have a common factor of 7. So 49 divided by 7 is 7, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So I could rewrite this as 2 over, and then I'm taking this 1 right here and I'm putting it here, 2 over 1, times, instead of 49, I'll put 7 over 1. Multiplying straight across, I'm going to get 2 times 7 is 14, 1 times 1 is 1, and anything over 1 is just itself, so because one of the instructions on these problems is to simplify your answer completely, I'm going to write it as just 14, and that is my answer. Now, I could have multiplied it the way that it looked, so 2 over 7 times 49 over 1. I could multiply and get 98 over 7. Now, I don't know off the top of my head that 7 divides 98. I would have to put it into my calculator to verify that, but if you did put it in your calculator, you would find out that it comes out to 14. You're going to get the same answer either way. It's just a little bit quicker if you simplified it at the very beginning. And that's it. That's all there is.